Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align picture in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first, open your Apple Keynote software. Then go to the image menu and click choose media. Now I am select a picture. Now click this and click open. Now go to the arrange menu and you can see here are align option. Now click the drop down menu and select left align, center align, right, top, middle, bottom easily. You can move image easily. Now you can see align picture in Apple Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.